Here's an RTH 10-minute chart, and we can see we had the gap up this morning, but running into resistance. And we had thought about this descending triangle possibility. You have to break, obviously, the lows for that to play out. And the hard part, of course, of trading is that if the market starts to make lower highs, lower lows, you really have to chase it if you want to be in the trades. So it's not an easy trade to play unless you have a trailer, and then you're just managing it. And that's always, obviously, the desirable way to play if you've got trailers. If not, then you take the risk, you jump in, take the heat. If it doesn't work, you get out. Normally we're going to have a bounce at lunch, but we really didn't get much of a lunch bounce today. Here's a 15-minute chart in the Globex variety, and you can see how we had the nonsense where we had overnight the push to 456 trade, perfect resistance at that 08 area. We used 12 for the stop. And on the pullback this morning, what you can see, once we get underneath that blue line, and then we hold under that, this slope line, that's the umbrella trade. And you can see every rotation was a lower high, and then we break these lows back here in that big 1875 range, and we get the afternoon swing. So there's no guarantee you're going to get this, but when I see a pattern like this, I'm a little bit shy about saying I want to buy, because these knives, they come hard and they come fast. So anybody that played short side, even if you left some chips on the table, no big deal. But the real key today was with the generals backing the train up, you at least had them giving some assistance. And you can really see on the 5-minute chart how these rotations stall at the blue line, and then we get the pink and the blue and the red and the green. And we've talked about this before. If you followed any of the videos I've done, this is a perfect illustration of the umbrella trade, and that's what you're looking for, something that will stall on bounces and hold this blue line, and then just keep seeking deeper support. Going under the assumption that that 50 area is support till broken. That's Friday's low. So anybody gets in within 5 to 6 points of that, certainly you want to make sure you get paid if you're short side. And only traders that have really either not taken any trades or have profits from the short side should think about taking a long side trade, because you've got something that you're willing to risk, and risk small from that for an afternoon, perhaps profit-taking swing. And normally if we have all day coming into late afternoon with no contras, usually we'll get some profit taking for a small bounce, and that's what I'm expecting right here.